Hello everybody, just found a story to read to you today. Some of you might recognise it. Maybe you can join in too. It's called The Gruffalo by Julia Donaldson. A mouse took a stroll through the deep dark wood. A fox saw the mouse and the mouse looked good. Where are you going to, little brown mouse? Come and have lunch in my underground house. It's terribly kind of you, fox, but no, I'm going to have lunch with a Gruffalo. A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo? A Gruffalo? Why didn't you know? He has terrible tusks and terrible claws and terrible teeth in his terrible jaws. Where are you meeting him? Here by these rocks, and his favourite food is roasted fox. Roasted fox? I'm off, fox said. Goodbye, little mouse, and away he sped. Silly old fox, doesn't he know there's no such thing as a Gruffalo? On went the mouse through the deep dark wood. An owl saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good. Where are you going to, little brown mouse? Come and have tea in my treetop house. It's frightfully nice of you, owl, but no, I'm going to have tea with a Gruffalo. A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo? A Gruffalo? Why didn't you know? He has knobbly knees and turned out toes and a poisonous wart at the end of his nose. Where are you meeting him? Here by the stream, and his favourite food is owl ice cream. Owl ice cream, to-a-too. Goodbye, little mouse, and away owl flew. Silly old owl, doesn't he know there's no such thing as a Gruffalo? On went the mouse through the deep dark wood. A snake saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good. Where are you going to, little brown mouse? Come for a feast in my log pile house. It's wonderfully good of you, snake, but no, I'm having a feast with a Gruffalo. A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo? A Gruffalo? Why didn't you know? His eyes are orange, his tongue is black. He's got purple prickles all over his back. Where are you meeting him? Here by this lake, and his favourite food is scrambled snake. Scrambled snake, it's time I hid. Goodbye, little mouse, and away snake slid. Silly old snake, doesn't he know there's no such thing as a Gruffalo? Oh, but who is this creature with terrible claws and terrible teeth in his terrible jaws? He has knobbly knees and turned out toes and a poisonous wart at the end of his nose. His eyes are orange, his tongue is black. He's got purple prickles all over his back. Oh help, oh no, it's a Gruffalo. My favourite food, the Gruffalo said. You'll taste good on a slice of bread. Good, said the mouse, don't call me good. I'm the scariest creature in this wood. Just walk behind me and soon you'll see everyone is afraid of me. All right, said the Gruffalo, bursting with laughter. You go ahead and I'll follow after. They walked and walked till the Gruffalo said, I hear a hiss in the leaves ahead. It's Snake, said the mouse. Why Snake? Hello. Snake took one look at the Gruffalo. Oh, crumbs, he said. Goodbye, little mouse, and off he slid to his log pile house. You see, said the mouse, I told you so. Amazing, said the Gruffalo. They walked some more till the Gruffalo said, I hear a hoot in the trees ahead. It's Owl, said the mouse. Why, Owl, hello. Owl took one look at the Gruffalo. Oh dear, he said, goodbye, little mouse, and off he flew to his treetop house. You see, said the mouse, I told you so. Astounding, said the Gruffalo. They walked some more till the Gruffalo said, I can hear feet on the path ahead. It's Fox, said the mouse. Why, Fox, hello. Fox took one look at the Gruffalo. Oh, help, he said. Goodbye, little mouse, and off he ran to his underground house. Well, Gruffalo, said the mouse, do you see? Everyone is afraid of me. But now my tummy is beginning to rumble, and my favourite food is Gruffalo crumble! Gruffalo crumble, the Gruffalo said, and quick as the wind he turned and fled. All was quiet in the deep dark wood. A mouse found a nut, and the nut was good. The end.
Hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed Mrs. Sanger's reading of the Gruffalo stories. That's certainly one of my favourites. And I've had a go at making a mouse. I wonder if you could have a go too.
To make a mouse, you need some paper, something to draw around, some colours, a pencil, some glue and some scissors. Draw around your circular object on a piece of paper. Cut it out and colour it in whatever colour you'd like your mouse to be. Draw a dot in the middle. Carefully use scissors to cut a line to the dot. Fold it round to make a cone, put some glue on and stick it down to make the shape of your mouse. Cut out a pink nose, or you could colour a pink nose if you wanted to. Stick it onto your mouse. Cut out some ears. And colour them in. And stick them onto your mouse. Make some eyes for your mouse. And stick them on. We used pipe cleaners to make some whiskers, but you could draw the whiskers on if you wanted to. We used some glue to attach them onto the very end of the mouse's nose. Ta-da! If you'd like to have a go at making Gruffalo crumble, you will find a link to this recipe below this video. Enjoy! Bye!